Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. If you are a woman over 50 and looking for a hairstyle that is easy to manage, you are in the right place. Today we will explore some beautiful low maintenance haircut ideas that are stylish, comfortable and perfect for everyday life. As we get older, our hair may become thinner, drier or change in texture. The good news is that the right haircut can make your hair look fuller while saving you time every morning. Let's begin with the classic pixie cut. This is one of the easiest hairstyles to care for. It is short, light and dries quickly after washing. You only need a small amount of styling cream to keep it looking neat. A pixie cut also highlights your face and gives you a fresh modern look. The next hairstyle is the layered bob. This haircut falls around the chin or just above the shoulders. Soft layers add movement and volume, making fine hair appear thicker. You can wear it straight, slightly wavy or simply let it air dry for a natural finish. Another wonderful option is the textured crop. This short haircut has soft layers that create a fuller appearance. It is easy to wash and style, making it perfect for busy women. It also looks beautiful with natural grey or silver hair. If you prefer medium length hair, consider a shoulder length layered cut. This style is simple to maintain and offers many styling choices. You can wear it down, tie it back or add soft waves for a more elegant look. Face framing layers make the haircut soft and flattering. The French bob is another timeless haircut. It sits around the chin and gives a classy and elegant appearance. This style requires very little styling and works well with straight or slightly wavy hair. If you enjoy a little more texture, try a soft shag haircut. This trendy style has light layers throughout the hair, creating natural movement and volume. It looks great even without much styling, making it ideal for women who prefer a relaxed look. For women with naturally curly or wavy hair, a layered curly cut is a great choice. The layers help define the curls while reducing extra weight. With a little curl cream, your hair can look fresh and beautiful all day. The long pixie with side bangs is another popular hairstyle. It combines the easy care of a pixie cut with the softness of longer bangs. Side bangs frame the face beautifully and can give a youthful appearance. To keep any haircut looking its best, remember to trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.